In this tutorial, I will show you a quick and easy way to convert your photo into a negative. To do so, I will be using the LunaPic website, which is completely free to use as there are no sign-ups or watermarks to deal with. For the first step, head over to the aforementioned LunaPic website. You can do so by clicking the link in the description box of this video. Once you have opened the site, go ahead and upload your photo. With the image file uploaded, hover the mouse cursor over to the Filters tab. In the drop-down menu, you should then select Negative. Once the image has finished processing, you can click the download link now to download the negative photo. If this tutorial helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.